Morning children, again we are continuing the same practice paper 1 part 4. We have already completed 24 questions. Now 25th question we are going to do. In triangle ABC, lines are drawn through A, B and C parallel respectively to the sides BC, CA and AB forming a triangle PQR. Show that BC equal to half QR. So triangle ABC, from the ABC we are drawing the parallel lines and making the triangle PQR, and we have to prove that BC equal to half QR. So given we can write triangle PQR is formed by drawing the parallel lines through A, B and C. Next, to prove BC equal to half QR. See that one, BC is this only and QR is the base here for the triangle PQR. So we have to prove that BC equal to half QR. Now let us see the proof. It is given that through A and B and C we are drawing the parallel line. So we can write that AQ parallel to BC and similarly AC parallel to BQ. So we are taking first this only, AQ parallel to BC and AC parallel to BQ. So we are getting a parallelogram AQBC. We are getting a parallelogram AQBC. If it is a parallelogram, we can say that opposite sides are also equal only. Next we are taking that AR. AR means the same base because BC is the question for us. So we are considering AR. AR is also parallel to BC and again AB is parallel to RC. So we got another parallelogram ARCB. So two parallelograms we got now. One is AQBC, another one is ARCB. Two parallelogram we got. So from the 2 and 1, these two parallelogram we can write that BC equal to AR and BC equal to AQ. What we are writing? BC equal to AR, BC equal to AQ. Now that shows that AQ and AR are equal to each other. Both are equal to BC only. So AQ and AR equal to each other. That means it is the half of the total length of QR. So we have proved the theorem. So BC equal to half QR. So just think that we have to prove that BC equal to half QR. So with the BC we are saying the which is the parallel. BC parallel to AQ. Then we are taken BQ parallel to AC. We got a parallelogram. Similarly BC parallel to AR, the other side. AB parallel to CR. So these two parallelogram we got. By this we can write that BC is equal to AQ, BC equal to AR. That means AQ and AR are equal to each other. That means what we can write, BC equal to half QR. In the given figure, angle ABC is 69 degree, ACB equal to 31 degree. Find BDC. So AB, what is the given part? Angle ABC 69, ACB 31. To find angle BDC. In triangle ABC, then we have to calculate what is A by angle sum property. 69 and 31 is given. So the remaining angle is 80. So we got here angle BAC equal to 80. After getting the angle BAC is 80, what we should do? We should keep our fingers on where? BC, because if you keep on the BC on your fingers, you know that angle BAC, angle BDC are formed on the same angle segment only. So that means their values are equal. So angle BAC is 80 means then BDC is also equal to 80. So hence proved. What is the reason to be written? Angles in the same segment. 7. An open box is made of wood 3 cm thickness. Its internal dimensions are 140 meter, 1.10 meter, 8.0 decimeter. Find the cost of painting the inner surface of the box at 75 paisa per 100 centimeter square. Here what we have to say that the two units are given in meter and one is in decimeter. And that means we have to make in a uniform pattern there, either in centimeter or meter in meter or decimeter. But if you read the second part of the question, 75 paisa per 100 centimeter square only. So we are making all the units are in centimeter. So according to the question, length equal to 140 centimeter, breadth is equal to 110 centimeter, h is equal to 80 centimeter. Surface area of the open box, that means 4 side plus 1 base. So the formula will be 2 into L plus B into H plus LB. So substitute, we will get 55 400. Now cost for 100 centimeter square, it is 75 paisa. So it should be in rupees. So 75 by 100. Then for 1 centimeter square, the cost is equal to 75 by 100 into 100. 75 and 100 we can cancel, 3 by 400. Therefore, the total cost is equal to 3 by 400 into 55 400, that is rupees 415.5. Next question. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm is revolved about 5 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. If it is now revolved about the sides 12 cm, then what would be the ratio of the volume of the two solids obtained in two cases? So here the measurement is same, 5 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm. In the first case, the right triangle is revolving about 5 cm, then find the volume. Next case, it is revolving about 12 cm, find the volume only, and the ratio of the two cases we have to find. So the case 1, revolved about 5 centimeter. So the diagram will be like this. It is 5 and here 12 centimeter is there. So R equal to 12, H is equal to 5. So right triangle means this much portion only, and it is revolving and forming the cone only. So about 5 it is revolving. And volume of the formula, you know that 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute, we will get to 240 pi centimeter cube. Since it is the ratio question is asked, pi as it is we are keeping because it will get cancelled. Similarly, it is revolving about 12. See the difference in the height. So revolving about 12 only. Again the radius portion is changed now. So here also R equal to 5, H is equal to 12. So we should write that revolved about 12, revolved about 5, like that we should make the heading, and the same formula only. What is the change here? R and H will interchange. So volume will be equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. The question is not completed. Ratio of the volumes are 240 pi by 100 pi. It is equal to 24 by 100, 24 by 10 only. Again we can cancel. So your answer is 12 by 5. So the ratio is equal to 12:5. Next question, question number 29. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of 50 such pillars at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So cylindrical pillar only, how many are there? We have to the diameter is 50 centimeters. That means R we have to calculate, height is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 meters. So again here you can see that the units are not same. And find the cost of painting the curved surface of the 50 such pillars. How many pillars are there? 50. So for that curved surface area we have to calculate, because we have to do the painting at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. Now we can see the solution. D is given, that means diameter, that is 50 centimeter. Therefore R equal to 25. Again 25 centimeter only. So we should write in meter, 2500 meter. Now H is what? H is equal to 4.5 meter. Now CSA of one pillar, that is 2 pi RH. Again it is 50 pillars are there. So we can write 2 pi RH into 50. So substitute the values, 2 into 22 by 7. Again radius is 25 by 100 into 4.5 into 50. Now the total cost, it is 12.50. So we have to multiply with the per meter square 12.50. We have to multiply the total surface area of the 50 pillars. So substitute and multiply, we will get the answer rupees 4419.64. Question number 30. A survey collected the record of 100 families living on a town about the quarterly expenditure on education of each of their child. It is shown below. Quarterly expenditure and number of students. Now less than 4,000, 20 students are there. In between 4,000 to 9,000 it is 210, and 9,000 to 14,000 325, 14,000 and more 445. A student is selected at random. Find the probability that an expenditure on the student is less than rupees 4,000 quarterly. Once again, the sub-questions are there. An expenditure on the student lies less than rupees 4,000. So the first condition is less than 4,000 only. For that, how many trials are possible? It is 20, and the total collection is 100 families. Here 1,000 families are there. So we should write 1,000. So here, probability of an event, number of trials in which the event happened is equal to total number of trials. So when we are having the sub questions, we must write the formula: probability of any event by experimental probability or empirical probability, number of trials in which the event happened, and total number of trials. So first you have to write and keep the formula. Then now we can go for the sub questions. The first sub question is less than rupees 4,000. Now let us see the answer. So it is 20 favoring out of 1,000. So 20 by 1,000 it is equal to 1 by 50. Now an expenditure on the student less than rupees 9,000 quarterly. That means two cases will come. One is less than 4,000 and another is less than 4,000 will come, and one is 4,000 to 9,000. So corresponding frequencies are 20 and 210. That is equal to 230. Then divided by 1,000, it is equal to 23 by 1,000. Now it is the student in rupees 14,000 and more. So the last condition is that only direct question it is. So P of probability of a student paying rupees 14,000 and above equal to 445 divided by 1,000. Simplify. Always better to keep in the simplified answer only. So the answer is 89 by 200. Now the last question: expenditure on the student at least rupees 4,000 quarterly. So at least questions we have already taught you while doing the chapter wise questions. So that type of questions normally they will ask in the question paper. So practice more that type of the questions. Probability of student at least rupees 4,000 only. So here we have to add the cases 210, means only one is not favoring. Other than that everything we should add 210, 325, 445 to be added out of 1,000 trials. So 980 divided by 1,000. So we got the answer 49 by 50. Question number 31. The heights of the employees in an office as follows. Heights in centimeter: 130 to 140. 8 employees are there. 140 to 150, 18 are there. 150 to 160, 20 are there. 160 to 175 are there. 170 to 184 and 180 to 193. Draw the histogram and the frequency polygon of the above table. So one more column should have the solution, that is class mark, as you know very well. But here both the graphs are asked. One is histogram and frequency polygon. Now let us see the graph. Now the graph is given to you. That is, we have to draw the x-axis and y-axis. We should write here x and here y. First we should complete histogram, and then above the upper line of the bars we have to find the midpoints. Through that we have to draw that one. So just we have to close it. Don't forget to close the polygon because it's a polygon only. Otherwise you will not get the mark only histogram mark will be given. Now it is started with the 120, so we have to put kink only there. After that it is a continuous only. So here we have to write the heights in centimeter and here number of employees. Labeling the graph also don't forget. Now closing we have done with the zeros, the next midpoint only, and on the same graph you can see histogram and the frequency polygon. So with this, first practice paper we have completed, and today's class also I am winding up. Thank you.